Advice on using affiliate money for added income. Has someone ever told you to go into a place of business and tell them that they sent you? Well, if you have, you are already familiar with affiliate marketing. Though word of mouth is important, there are other affiliate marketing campaigns that you can use to help your business, and this video provides you with the tips you need to make it happen. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. We are all familiar with the concept of affiliate marketing, we just may not understand its formulation. Hopefully, this video has provided you with the basics you need to start your affiliate marketing campaign in as formal or informal a manner as you might like. By following the tips from this video, you are helping to ensure the success of your program. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.